Welcome back with another video. We're playing this game, APRP, piggy roleplay I should say. I don't know, I'll just look for it. Alright. I couldn't remember. It was open. No, I don't. I don't see it.
Actually, like.
Aren't you supposed to be frozen? Come on! Now he's frozen. Ah. Alright, now.
Okay, yeah.
There's something up here. I'm supposed to.
Yeah.
Ready, here I come. Oh, you suck, dude. Oh my god, this game is so hard. What? It's not there anymore. Look. Go, 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 go. Okay. No, I'm gonna get that. What the fuck are you? No, skip. That creepy as creepy as hell. This guy real quick. Why is he coming? You kill that thing quick, dude. Get it. That's scary. Oh. Oh, come on, dude. It must be there. Nowhere else to go. Let's get turn down. Okay, so they're calling. Where's the screen go? Oh. Okay, this over here. This thing is big. It actually moves. So where's this go? To freeze. Oh. Let me see. This has been filled. Give me that, give me. Oh, fuck, you're still here. The hello pod. I'll return to check you any soon. Teamwork. Get off my tail. What am I doing? Yeah, I can go. If I die. Oh! It's slow, so. No, it doesn't matter. It's a worse. I forgot this page was smart. So let's go here. I'm stuck. Come on, big boy. What the fuck? If this is cursed, anyone who stays here for 3. This is next. Oh. It's really that steep. X2. Oh, X2. More fast. Go more. Come on. See them? Let me out, damn it. Let me out. Let me out. Let me out. It's coming after us! Oh! Oh, this thing is creepy as hell. Get away. Get away from me. Now that we're done, I'll control this helicopter. I'm an expert at this job. I will find where we're gonna land when we find signals from above. Getting it's no more safe out here. We need to hurry up. Oh, where's she right here? Oh, dang, that's sick. So it's been an hour. Do you see any signals of locations? Oh my god. I don't think so, but I'm dealing with one huge problem as we're running out of gasoline. That's a terrible sign. You must land somewhere else even though you can't see clearly. Well, that's easy for you to say. How can you be sure about this? What if we're in the middle of an ocean? Fine, but is this copter's location tracker system working? I don't want to hear no. Yeah, it does, but it's been broken since we took off. That's why it took me an hour to be able. By the way, I think the toxic effects are relapse like a roller coaster again. Everything I see quickly turning into black. But in place, I see some huge building. Thank goodness we finally can land. I hope there's no trouble over there. No place? No place? Oh great, you passed out. At this point, you should need a cure to heal this. Well, someone must own this enormous building. Why don't you seek for help? No way! Do we continue? Moms. Oh, dang. So what do we get? Someone up here. Here, right? Still go down. Okay. Do we get this thing? Yo. Actions. This is a normal one. So he was a parachute. What's next? Pep. Actions. Oh. Cool. This is normal. Here's just a normal piggy just doing it. Till he crashed. Shut up. It's cool. Oh, I like the song. Let's do this creepy ass head. What the? It's huge though. That's how it walks. That's knowing how it walks. Let's see. Oh, that's it then. Well, I'm gonna end it here. Tio. I'm in here, right, guys. It was nice playing this game. Let's see if I can have a chance to play chapter 2. Let's see how it is. Alright? Well, it's been pretty fun. I hope you guys subscribe. Of course not, why? But, if you don't. And like it, please. Please. I don't know, why does it look like that? That's first time. Oh, look at the graphics. Oh, should I say? Cool. Alright, I'm gonna end it here because this game's over. And alright, guys, see you next time.